Hello, I'm Nate. In this video, we will show you how to set up a new smart fridge. You receive a smart fridge. Connect to city power. This is what you will see. The reason is the machine is not yet connected to internet. We need to go to the back of the machine. This is the Android board. We can connect the machine to Wi-Fi or insert the SIM card. SIM card can be inserted here. I will show you how to connect to Wi-Fi. First, plug in the mouse. Now you can control the mouse. Long press the left top. We'll enter into Android setting. Click Wi-Fi. Turn on the Wi-Fi. Connect the Wi-Fi. Connecting. Back. Now we need to enter into the vending app. First thing we need to do, click display. Always hide the status bar. Cancel. You can see the status bar at the bottom of the screen. Click the ROM. Click this one and double click the Weight Sense vending. Now it's ready. Second step, calibration. Open mobile server. Enter username and password. Click device. Select the machine. Click open the door. The door will be open. You have a weight or something you know exactly how many grams it is. iOS calibration. Click clear. Submit. Put the weight on shelf 1. Click iOS calibration. This weight is 500 grams, so we put 500. Submit. Calibration success. Cross-check. If we click the weight, it will show now it's 500 grams. That means calibration is successful. Do the same things from all the shelves. Now we need to put the product information to the machine. We need to create our product database from our server. Click Goods. A product. Upload picture. We select the apple. Fill the basic information and submit. One more product. Second product, we upload water. Fill the basic information. Click submit. Now we need to put the two products we just upload to the machine. Click device. Select the machine. Product setup. For example, the first shelf we want to sell apple. We have two options. One is sell by piece. One is sell by weight. For apple, it's better to sell by weight. Select sell by weight and change the product. Select the apple. Here we can fill how much price per kg. Now it's $3 per kg. Submit. Now we set the second shelf. Because it's water, it should be sold by piece. Then revise the product. Select the water. The water is 550 grams per bottle, and each piece should be $2. Submit. The difference of sell by piece and sell by weight is per product. For example, if we set sell by weight, then we can set how much per kg. If we set sell by piece, we can set how much per piece. Sell by weight is suitable for fresh fruit and vegetable or frozen meat, and sell by piece is suitable for bottled drinks, snack, or some other standard weight product. We need to fill the machine. Click device. Select the machine. Click open door. We can open the door. Apple in floor 1. In floor 2. Inventory details. Apple, click balance. Then the machine will know how many apples is there. Second floor. Water, click balance. Now the machine knows how many bottles of water is there. Close the door. The machine is ready for operation.